As LLMs gain this tremendous power of self-orchestration and decision-making over their own memory, does the critical bottleneck shift entirely?
And the final limitation concerns simplicity,
Hmm.
the token overhead for simple tasks.
If your task comfortably fits within a standard 50K token context window, using the RLM scaffolding provides no benefit.
In fact, it adds cost.
It adds cost. The model still consumes tokens to manage context variables, to generate the filtering code, execute that code, and observe the results. For simple tasks, this overhead is pure cost without any gain.
RLM is designed to break the ceiling, not optimize the floor. We started with the universal problem of the rigid LLM context window ceiling, and we finished by examining a paradigm where the AI fundamentally shifts its role.
We've really seen the AI transition from being a passive function call to becoming a self-orchestrating computational agent. RLMs solve that massive input problem by externalizing the data, programming access to it, and managing their own scale.
And the crucial Jupyter integration then solved the visibility and control problem. It let the human peer directly into the REPL and share that computational workspace.
This evolution makes high-scale data analysis by LLMs a practical, iterative reality. But as we discussed in detail in Section 4, it also demands a new professional skill set.
It does. The focus is no longer solely on the initial prompt, but on the model's emergent orchestration logic.
Understanding those markdown trace artifacts, diagnosing why a regex failed or why the chunking went wrong, is now just as vital as writing the initial instruction.
We have moved past simply retrying a failed run and now have the power to fix the model's faulty internal computational state directly.
And this represents a significant increase in both the complexity and the capability of these AI systems.
So, here is the final provocative thought for you to explore as you consider the path forward for these powerful self-orchestrating architectures. We have provided the necessary tools for the human expert to act as a surgical co-pilot.
As LLMs gain this tremendous power of self-orchestration and decision-making over their own memory, does the critical bottleneck shift entirely? Does it move away from the size of the context window to the inherent human capacity to debug, manage, and correct these complex, non-deterministic, emergent failure patterns?